So today we are doodling the 3 billy goats. So I have the small one and the middle one. Now I'm gonna make the big one. So for that I will make a circle, which is the face. And then we make triangle upside down, the mouth, little circle for one eye, little circle for another eye, the horns in here, and then the ears. And then the body needs to be bigger because this one is the big billy goat. And then we can make 2 holes, so we can do some cutting and use this as a puppet as well. And then we can color it if we want it more beautiful. And now I will make the troll. Let's see. So we don't need a perfect circle in here, we just need something like that. The ears are something like this. This is one eye, another eye. The mouth is something like that. You can draw here the mouth with the teeth and some hair here if you want to. And then we can add a little hat. And then the same, the body, which is gonna be more or less like that. And then we already have our 4 puppets. We can color it to make it even nicer.